Hey guys, Mike here, and welcome back to Nursing.com's YouTube channel. So today we're going to talk about CPR. Now, no, I don't mean that kind of CPR. I mean the NCLEX Candidate Performance Report. Now, I will tell you, I've gotten board certification in a number of different topics, and every one of those exams, from NCLEX to CEN, Certified Emergency Nurse, to any of those, they give you some sort of report at the end. For the NCLEX, it's the Candidate Performance Report. This is what the first page looks like, right? We're going to get right to it, and we're going to go to the important page of the Candidate Performance Report. Now, what this is when you take the test, pass or fail, and of course, we all pass, but it's going to give you a sheet that looks like this, okay? And I know it's not so easy to see, but basically what this has is on it, you've got your category, and then if you met the standard, and the three categories are, well, below the passing standard is what we don't want to get, but you can also have, there are three levels. We've got above the passing standard, near the passing standard, or below the passing standard. And obviously we all want to get above the passing standard. But what it does is it breaks it down into all the categories, from safety and infection control, risk of reduction of risk potential, clinical judgment, that's a good one, take actions, generate solutions. Basically everything that they're testing and the way that they're testing it, they're going to tell you if you've met the standard. So what you do if you haven't passed the exam, and I know you're going to be shattered because this is what you study for 2 years or 4 years, or your whole nursing school time leads to this point. You've probably graduated. Now you got to take your NCLEX to start working. So to fail, I will tell you, not the worst thing in the world. And I know there's another video somewhere in the series that talks about what to do when you fail, but that's not what this video is. This is how to use this. So what you do is you're going to take this and you're going to look at where you didn't meet the standard, okay? And you're going to focus on that. So if safety and infection control is where you didn't meet the standard, you're going to go back to nursing.com, or you're going to go to your books, and you're going to try to do questions on that topic. Management of care, right? So what management of care is, provides and directs nursing care that enhances the care delivery setting to protect the client and healthcare personnel. So you can easily isolate questions in certain test banks to focus on that area. If you have to focus on basic care and comfort, you can isolate that, and that's what you want to focus on. When you're studying for the exams, by the way, it's a whole other thing, you need to focus on where you're not strong. So in these cases, if you haven't met the standard, study. Focus on that individual point. I have failed a lot of things, but I have failed some of my exams in the past, and when I get this, I take this and I go home. Not the same day, trust me. Usually a week later. And I start putting together my study plan. I start looking at what I need to study, and I start doing questions like that until I know that I'm comfortable with that topic area. So that's what I suggest to you. If you do not happen to pass the NCLEX, take your CPR, your Candidate's Performance Report, take it home, and start laying out the topics that you need to review and the topics that you need remediation on. Go through it. Find the test questions, find the study material, and bank on this. Because if you study where you failed, you will not fail again. That's all I got today, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Hey, guys. So I hope this video helps you in your nursing journey. Now go out, be your best self today, and as always, happy nursing.